हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लेट्स लर्न इट। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।
सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एयरफोर्स ग्रुप वाई के कुछ मॉडल्स पेपर को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले इंग्लिश पोर्शन में आते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, चेंज द नरेशन। रोमा सेज टू मी योर ब्रदर इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट एंड द ऑप्शंस आर रोमा टोल्ड मी दैट माई ब्रदर वॉज प्रेजेंट, रोमा टोल्ड मी दैट हिज ब्रदर वॉज प्रेजेंट, Roma tells me that your brother is not present. D. Roma tells me that my brother is not present. And the correct option is Roma tells me that my brother is not present. Come to the next question. Change the voice. Was the doctor examining the patient? Option A. Was the patient being examined by the doctor? The patient were being examined by the doctor. Were the patient being examined by the doctor? By whom were the patient being examined? And the correct option is C. Were the patient being examined by the doctor?
Now come to the third question. Remove 2 from the above. The night is too cold for me. And the options are the night is cold that it is proper. Option B, the night is so cold that I can't bear it. Option C, the night is so cold for me. And option D, the night is so cold that it can't be colder. And the correct option is the night is so cold that I can't bear it. Now come to the fourth question. Punctuate the following. May I go out, sir? And the options are may I go out, sir? Question mark. And option B, may I go out, sir? Question mark. C, may I go out, sir? Option D, may I go out, sir? And the correct option is may I go out, sir.
Now we come to the next question. These are based on antonyms. So, dearth, then options are death, scarcity, plenty, feeble. The correct option is plenty. Means जो dearth है उसका antonyms plenty होगा. Understand? And next question 6. Yield. And the options are resist, yell, succumb, respect. And the correct option is resist. Means yield है जो उसका antonyms होगा वो होगा resist. Understand? Now come to the next questions 7 to 8. इसमें synonyms बताने हैं. Choose the appropriate synonyms for the given words. Now come to the next question. इसमें synonyms को बताना है. Eulogies. 7th question eulogies. इसके options हैं. पहला option apologize, B phrase, C useless, D optimistics. And the correct option is phrase. eulogize का जो synonyms है वो phrase होगा. And now come to the 8th question. mirages जिसका synonyms में भी हो सकता है. तो सबसे पहले हम 4 ऑप्शंस देंगे जो हैं शेक, डिस्ट्रक्शन, illusion, respect. So what do you think? What should be right? Then illusion. जो mirages होगा उसका synonym illusion होगा. Understand? So now come to the next question. Spot the misspelled word. And the 4 options are irritating, irrelevant, irrational, inconsistent. And the correct option is inconsistent. And now come to the next question. Give one word for the following. A small named group of fixed star. And the 4 options are constellation, inconsistent, kingly, present, and the correct option is constellation. Now come to the next question. Past participle of spell is, four options are A. Spelt, B. Ringly, C. Spell, D. Yell, and the correct option is spelt, A. Now come to the next question. Adjective of king is, the four options are A. Kingly, B. Spell, C. Yell, D. Phrase, and the correct option is A. Kingly. So now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Question 13. This fellow is good dash nothing. The options are A. To, B. At, C. On, D. For. The correct option is D. For. This fellow is good for nothing. Question 14. Learn to grapple dash the problems of life. Options are A. With, B. To, C. On, D. For. And the correct option is with. And the sentence becomes, learn to grapple with the problems of life. Question 15. He didn't phone dash word to his father. The options are A. Or, B. Nor, C. Neither, D. Either. And the correct option is or. And the sentence becomes, he didn't phone or write to his father. Question number 16. Which type for dash book is this? Options are A. Option B. An, C. The, D. No articles. Now come to the next questions, which is related to reading portion. Read the following passage carefully and answer each the questions given below in the context of the passage. So let's read the passage. Malnutrition most commonly occurs between the ages of 6 months and 2 years. This happens despite the child's food requirements being less than that of an older child. Malnutrition is often attributed to poverty, but it has been found that even in households where adults eat adequate quantities of food, more than 50% of children under 5 do not consume enough food. Their child's dependence on someone else to feed him or her is primarily responsible for the malnutrition. Very often, the mother is working and the responsibility of feeding the younger child is left to an older sibling. It is therefore crucial to increase awareness regarding the child's food needs and how to satisfy them. So we read all the passage carefully. So now we come to the questions. These questions come from the passage. So 17th question is, malnutrition is a serious problem among, options are a child of working woman, option B 50% of children, option C children aged between 6 months and 2 years, option D children under 5. And the correct option is, malnutrition is a serious problem among children aged between 6 months and 2 years. And now come to the next question. Question 18. According to the author, the major cause of malnutrition is, the options are A. Ignorance of child's food needs, dependence of a child on the other, non-availability of food in most families, D. Poverty. And the correct option is B. Dependency of a child on the other. Now come to the next question. 19. Malnutrition in food can be reduced by creating an awareness of. Options are A. Nutritivity value of food, B. Regular intake of food, C. Balanced diet, D. The food needs of younger children. Now come to the next question. The correct option is D. The food need of younger children. Now come to the next question. B. The authors reason that poverty is not the main cause of malnutrition because adults in poor families eat good quantities of food. Option B. A child's food needs are much less than those of adults. Option C. Even in families where adults eat well, children below 5 are not fed properly. Option D. Children are malnourished, whatever the economic status of the family. And the correct option is C. The author reasons that poverty is not the main cause of malnutrition because even in families where adults eat well, children below 5 are not fed properly.
So dear friends, I hope you like my video, so please like and subscribe it.